Quality looks good on this batch. Take them to bay 4. All right, bring the crates down this aisle, bay 15, right above the citrus. Easy now.
Ensure the water pressure is optimized for this batch. We need them spotless before packaging.
The separation seems efficient. Log this batch on the tablet and increase the conveyor speed by 5%.
The counts on the orange juice samples are within acceptable limits, Supervisor.
Good, let's finalize the release forms.
According to these figures, the Q3 tolerance levels are unstable. Rerun the analysis on Unit 7 and report the findings to me by factors.
The flow rate looks good here, but let's monitor the next batch closely.
Shirts.
We've ensured that the new assembly line meets
All the regulatory standards.
And the ISO 9001 certification is so Okay, easy now. A little higher, right there. Slow back, clear on the left. Good job.
Adjust the sorting speed on line 3. We need to process this batch before the next delivery arrives.
If we look here at the sustained growth over the last 2 quarters, it's clear the new workflow is effective. We are exceeding targets across the board. This is the emergency stop. To reset it, you turn the knob clockwise and then press the green button twice.
And if it flashes red, do we call maintenance?
Exactly. Good job.
This harness seems secure. Can you show me the inspection tag?
Yes, it's right here. Everything is up to date.
These certifications are proof of our unwavering commitment to quality and excellence in manufacturing.
Shirts.
We've ensured that the new assembly line meets
All the regulatory standards.
And the ISO 9001 certification is so As you can see, the new pomegranate juice line is fully operational. We are very proud of this product. This is the final product, our premium pomegranate juice. We guarantee the highest quality from our facility directly to you.
Safe travels, driver. See you next week.
Have a good evening, everyone.